Hi everyone, my name is Gosia Walczak from Project Nails. I'm Polish but living in UK, and today I would love to show you how to apply UV gel polish on natural nail. My natural nail, it's already prepared with clean and prep and no acid primer, which that one works like a double-sided tape. All products you will be able to find in description. Today I will use my favorite one, which is Silky Base. You can see it. Very thick UV gel polish base with fibers. You can see how thick it is. But for people who doesn't like, if they don't like very thick products, thick consistency, my second favorite one, it's 701 Bonder base, which got medium thick consistency. It's up to you. Both bases are perfect. All right. I've done the e-file manicure. Just find it here something. Okay. On the beginning, I will apply first layer, but very thin layer of Silky Base. You will be able to see like 1 millimeter from the cuticle area. And do not cure it. Just apply and don't cure it. See? And then I will prepare brush Nail Art 004. I will apply second layer, but this time it will be big ball near to cuticle on the left, right, and going down. Just like that. And now quickly I will help with my nail art brush. Now you can turn your finger ups and down and help leveling. We can help ourselves with brush too, and that's how we build our apex to make our nails stronger. Now, very important is the light reflection. Need to be very smooth all around. And now we can cure it. 1 minute into lamp. After when my nail is cured, I can show you now without worry that will flow somewhere on the side. The reflection, a really nice reflection. Before applying color, I'm wiping the sticky layer. I don't need that sticky layer before applying color. With SPN bases, you can remove that layer. And now the color. Alright. Today I will use Neon Pink 669. Really, really hot color. And same. First layer will be thin and not really near to cuticles. Little bit farther than the base, but not straight under cuticles. First layer, it's really easy. Oh my gosh, I love this color. Just like that. And now we can cure it 30 seconds. Now, second layer. The second layer, it's a really important layer because that need to be done with really big precise. For that, I will use a drop of the color on the plate, and I will use our short thin nail art brush, which is 002 on the side. And now okay, just to show you better, with the second layer we're taking a little bit more of product on our brush, and the important thing, we push in the product color under our cuticle. Can you see? I don't just paint like that. I push the color up. One side, the other, and now I can go all down. The other side. Free edge. And now, taking a like small ball and pushing the color, not painting around, pushing the color around the cuticle. On the side I can just go down easily, taking a little bit more of product and pushing from this side. See, can you see it like that? With the color, also you can just turn your hand upside down and just help to level the color. And cure into the lamp, 30 seconds. Cured. And now top coat. My favorite one is 501 top. This top, it's with dispersion layer, the sticky layer, which you need to wipe it off with Clean and Shine liquid. If you don't like, if you prefer no wipe top coat. Top Shine 700. Also, it's really amazing. I like 501 because the way how it's leveling, it's really helped to do my job. You will see it now. Same. I won't just paint it as normal. First, I will push the product, push the top under my cuticles. Just focus and have a look. You can put the ball, you can see it, yeah. And now just push the color under and down. A little bit more near to the cuticles and down. Now it's really important to level the top coat. Have a look, need to be straight like that, not on the sides, just straight. And we are making nice apex. And I'm curing 1 minute top coat. And also before wiping the sticky layer from our top coat, you should wait a minute before doing it. Yeah. And wipe the sticky layer. And really our nail is ready. You can check how nice it's done. How nice it's done near to the cuticle area. Need to find the focus. Just want to show you the light reflection, how nice and smooth it is. It looks so natural. Now I need to do rest of my nails. Okay, thank you for watching me. If you liked this video, if it was helpful, even for a little bit, subscribe my channel, like it, and hopefully I see you soon. Bye!